Elon Musk SpaceX has released a faster version of its Starlink satellite internet service. Improving on his old inventions or ideas is one of Elon Musk's many things known and loved for. On the 3rd of February 2022, the multi-billionaire proved this point again after he tweeted a link to the Starlink website that advertised the Starlink Premium service, a faster version of the Starlink satellite internet service. The new version of the Starlink satellite internet service is known as Starlink Premium, and it's targeted at large businesses and enterprise customers. According to the website, any customer who opts for the Starlink Premium will enjoy better internet services than the old version. In comparison, Starlink Premium will offer download speeds between 150 to 500 megabits per second, while the older version has only a maximum download speed of 150 megabits per second. What will the Starlink Premium be able to do compared to its older version? How expensive will it be for those who want to use the service? Will it change the story of internet services as we know it? Welcome to your favorite channel, Unlimited SpaceX. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos about SpaceX projects and Elon Musk's many controversies. It comes with a $2,500 kit and costs 5 times more than the standard service. Ensure you watch to the end. After Elon Musk made the tweet on Tuesday, it quietly dawned on everyone that Starlink Premium might change the whole internet service industry. The more powerful Starlink Premium I mentioned earlier is made specifically for large businesses and enterprise customers. With this new product, Elon Musk has improved the hardware, faster service speeds, and priority support, which are the main promises made to premium customers. According to the SpaceX website, it said, Starlink Premium has more than double the antenna capacity of Starlink, delivering faster internet speeds and higher throughput for the highest demand users, including businesses. Information from the website's order page said the Starlink Premium, which includes a dish, a Wi-Fi router, and a tripod, would cost the users a whopping sum of $2,500. Based on calculations, this amount is 5 times the old version cost. The standard Starlink kit costs just $499. Those who would love to get Starlink Premium would require a $500 refundable deposit, and the service costs $500 per month. Compared to the standard Starlink service, which launched in October 2020, it had a $99 refundable deposit, a $499 hardware fee, and the service fee cost just $99 per month. According to the website, the customer who paid the $500 deposit fee will be able to get their hands on Starlink Premium in the second quarter of 2022, and they'll be notified ahead of time when their internet kit is on the way. With all the promises and features expected from the Starlink Premium, the price seems to be worth it for many customers. And although they'll have to wait until the second half of 2022 to get their hands on the kit, it'll be worth the wait. In a recent Q&A session, Musk noted that the dish costs more than $1,000 to make. This high cost has spurred Starlink to work on a new terminal that costs less but provides the same level of performance. That can mean a price drop for Starlink customers in the future, and Musk mentioned that the company would like to drop the price for $300 or $250 if possible. Musk described the satellite dish as a UFO on a stick and noted that the dish has built-in motors that allow it to position itself at the best angle for your location. Best of all, the dish can be self-installed using the Starlink app. Unlike Viasat and HughesNet, which require a professional to come and install the dish, you can take a plug-and-play approach with the Starlink dish. Also, feel free to let us know what you think of this video in the comments section below. For those of you who still have doubts about the power of Starlink Premium, here's another reason why you should be queuing up to order yours. Starlink Premium will offer unlimited service locations flexibility compared to the standard Starlink Premium, which only provides services at a specific service address or location. From the information gathered from SpaceX, Starlink Premium will be able to connect from anywhere. If that's not impressive, I don't know what is. Order as many Starlinks as needed and manage all of your service locations, no matter how remote, from a single account, SpaceX said. Another vital reason why Starlink Premium will be better than the old version is that its satellite antenna is designed for improved performance in extreme conditions. Although the standard Starlink product offers a similar feature known as snow melt functionality to remove snow and ice, it's nothing compared to Starlink Premium. Extreme weather conditions like heavy rainfall will have little to no effect because the antenna has been specially designed to beat this. Although many benefits are attached to getting Starlink Premium, the main one that's been advertised is that users can expect download speed of 150 megabits per second to 500 megabits per second, with latency between 20 milliseconds and 40 milliseconds. To make simple comparisons with the older version, the standard service offers speeds between 100 megabits per second to 200 megabits per second and a tighter latency range. It wouldn't be satellite internet without satellites, and Starlink has a ton of them. Each satellite is about as big as an office desk. It weighs close to 500 pounds, which means the January 2020 Falcon 9 mission carried 30,000 pounds of satellites into space. Starlink's goal is to build a mega constellation of 42,000 satellites to power its internet service worldwide. Compared to Viasat and HughesNet, which rely on a few large satellites to create an internet network, Starlink relies on a web of thousands of smaller satellites that surround the Earth. Along with a massive convoy of satellites, Starlink service relies on ground terminals. SpaceX initially filed a request with the FCC for 1 million Earth stations or ground terminals. But thanks to the massive number of beta test applicants, the company amended its proposal to ask the FCC for permission to build 5 million Earth stations. These ground terminals feature white, spherical antenna radomes, which protect the sensitive equipment inside. Current and future sites of Starlink Earth stations include Hawthorne, California, Limestone, Maine, Conrad, Montana, Panaca, Nevada, Beekmantown, New York, Greenville, Pennsylvania, Kalama, Washington, North Bend, Washington, Redmond, Washington, Maryland, Wisconsin, Evanston, Wyoming. Starlink's beta testing program is mainly available to people living between the 33.6 degree and 54.9 degree latitudes in the US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and a handful of countries in Europe. SpaceX continues to advertise unlimited service usage, saying that at this time there are no data caps. And as it's known, data caps are a massive deal with satellite internet because they're often much smaller than you'd find with traditional ISPs, and Viasat currently offers the most monthly data of 300 gigabytes. That means you need to watch your data usage like a hawk with traditional satellite internet providers, but not with Starlink. Of course, the "at this time" makes us wonder if unlimited Starlink data will eventually disappear. The company's standard product has more than 145,000 users in 25 countries worldwide. Starlink has launched over 2,000 satellites as of mid-January, with around 1,500 in operational orbit. The current system is authorized for up to 4,408 satellites, around triple the current number. This is the second new satellite dish that Starlink has started taking orders for in 12 months. In November, it unveiled a more compact rectangular dish that's thinner and lighter than the company's previous circular dish. The big question is whether the new premium tier can offer a more consistent service than what we experienced when we tried Starlink out for ourselves last May. Although it was fast, with speeds sometimes over 100 megabytes per second, we found that the connection would frequently slow down and drop out. Using Zoom or playing online games wasn't an option with the satellite-based internet service. But with new hardware and hundreds more satellites having launched in the months since, there's every chance the Starlink service will have improved for many. Once Starlink is built out, in an endeavor that could run the company between $20 and $30 billion, Musk is projected to rake in $30 billion annually from it. With that, we're at the end of our video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and let us know your thoughts on the new, improved, faster Starlink satellite internet service, and if you'd be willing to use it when it's released in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon in our next video. Be sure to like this video, and once again subscribe to the channel for further updates. See you guys later. Bye.